Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete Grab history. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to delete your Grab history here, well, this is kind of complicated. Now, typically, your history inside Grab is a way for you to determine or to keep track of what's currently happening with your account, especially if something happened, like for example, you lost your phone, your wallet. Well, deleting your history is going to be really hard because again, it's a way for them to keep track of what currently happened. Now, think of this as IDs of that specific transaction. Now, the only way for you to delete a transaction is you need to reach out to support. So, to do that, first things first, you just want to go and click on account at the bottom right of your screen here. Now, inside your account, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and look for the option for support. Now, usually it's going to be under the general section here. You should see the help center. That's going to select that one. Now, from here, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and basically choose one of your support requests here. Now, you can go ahead and create one. You can go and click on chat to get help here. Just go and select this one. Now, in here, you want to go and select transport, and you want to go ahead and select the current transaction or the current history that you want to maybe delete. Now, once you've selected that, you should be able to see a specific screen. Now, this is what you should be seeing. Now, in here, you could go and just interact with the bot in here. You can go and just click on the type a message and just say or maybe request that you need assistance on deleting this certain history from your account. Now, typically, you will first interact with the bot. They will ask you certain information, so you may need to provide that. But sooner or later, you'll be able to interact with an actual person inside the help center here. And from then on, they should be able to help you in deleting this specific history. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.